normal farmman, and then a dildo.
They start to play, then they start to play. It shakes the floor.
Alright, so in summary, we're on a trip.
So, yeah, in summary we're on a trip, a bike trip specifically. It's about 70 kilometers from where we live and to Earl Grove Provincial Park. I have trouble speaking right now because it's so cold right now. I think it's like 10 degrees right now and it's summertime right now. Completed at least 10 kilometers out of 70, so feeling pretty dumb.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna make it this time.
And we get views like this.
So shake, shake, shake. Oh, what you make, go be break it into. You know, oh, let me stay. You stand still. It's only up to you. It's only up to you.
Now we are at Cappuccino Bakery. We're about a third of our destination. I think we've completed at least 20 kilometers and we got some nice breakfast.
It's been like 2 hours.
Yeah,
so it's probably gonna take us like 5 to 6 hours to get there.
Yeah, probably 5 to 6 hours because we've been stopping a lot and taking a lot of footages. Yeah, so far we are not dead yet. Like, we still have some energy left and our legs are still fine, I think. But overall, I think we can do this. We have high confidence on this, and Eric too. So yeah.
Get yourself. This room is hot, but we can make it hotter with your help. I'll dance with you. We'll dance together until everybody's moving to it. Everybody moves. When everybody moves.
So we're at this cow farm right now. What happened was my bike's being really stupid and this thing keeps sliding, my handle keeps sliding in and out. So the farmer here was kind enough to give us a hand, and he's dropping something off, but he's gonna get us an Allen key or something to fix it.
Shake, shake, shake. Oh, what you make.
We have 5 kilometers left, and I'm hoping that hill is the last hill ever, because that hill is huge. I'll show you again. Yeah, you probably can't tell it from the GoPro.
No. Only mistake is you stand still.
We're almost there. 800 meters.
Only up to you.
70 kilometers
Up to you.
in 8 hours.
It's only up to you. It's only up to you.
Coming back. It is currently 10 o'clock. It's currently 10 o'clock. Okay. So far, I think we've completed, if I'm not mistaken, 130 kilometers. We still have 10 more kilometers to go. We're really exhausted. We don't feel like in the beginning. We almost feel like we can't make it anymore, but I know that we can't give up. This is exactly why I wanted to do this trip, because I feel like we give up on so many things, so many dreams, and this is to prove myself that dreams are not forgotten, and I will not give up on my dream or goal. Same thing. It's pretty freezing right now, probably around 10 degrees. As you can see, it's nighttime. We can't see anything, but enough with the complaining. We're gonna go on with this and we're gonna be proud of it. Peace out.